All right, yeah, guys, you know what? It's easy to make a great meal and really cheap. We're going to continue the series just like she did. We're going to use some of my grandmother's recipes exactly as she prepared them. Marianne from Max Meals joins us on a Tasty Tuesday again. So this one's really easy. We actually added a little bit to it, but the basic ingredients: chicken, some garlic, Italian seasoning, and Parmesan. And of course, we've got some cauliflower for a side, right?
Yes, we're going to make a very healthy, keto-friendly side.
Love it. First things first, listen, you got to trim your chicken. This is the thing. I cannot stand fat on my chicken, and I'm very anal about it. You know, I cannot stand any fat on my chicken at all. I know some people just take it out of the basket, rinse it off, and toss it. I cannot do that. I've got to have it off, and I probably waste more chicken than I should, right?
I agree with you 100%.
Now, the other thing, though, is what I do with this chicken, guys, so you're not really wasting it, at least for me, anyway. I give it to Nixon. I cook it up, and I make him a little tidy little snack so he gets to enjoy dinner as well.
Right.
So that makes it very, very easy. I'll go ahead and continue to trim this off. Ooh, look at that big old chunk right there. Nixon's going to love that.
He's going to love it.
All right, what are you going to do with the cauliflower?
So what we're going to do with cauliflower is a very simple keto-friendly dish. We're going to roast it, grill it first in the pan, and then we're going to take a little bit of nature seasoning, a little Italian dressing, and we're going to then take the tomato, basil, garlic pasta sauce and cover that, and we're going to bake it with some cheese. It's going to be golden, and it's going to be delicious.
Now, am I going to like cauliflower?
You're going to love it because I made it.
All right, go ahead and get that prepped in there. I'll continue to work.
And you're going to put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then just take your cauliflower bag, open it up. It's frozen, and you're just going to get it in there until it gets a light golden brown. And then you're going to transfer it to a pan. Okay. And then we're just going to take our wooden spoon here and just saute it around.
Now, how much do you want to cook it when you're sauteing? How much do you actually want to cook it for? Are you just going to brown it?
Yeah, you're just going to brown it, maybe 5 minutes. It's not going to take long, and you can take your seasonings and just put that right on top while you're sauteing it. Just helps it cook a little bit faster, adds a little bit of flavor to it.
All right, so Marianne, you're going to work on that. I've got the chicken, I think, trimmed to my liking real quick. And now we've got to create the bath, I guess you can call it, that we're going to put the chicken in. It's going to be a breaded chicken with this garlic and Italian seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and take Italian seasoning, a packet of that. We'll toss that in there, just like that. And this really is to your taste. Nan Nan did not put on there how much, so I'm going to say just enough to make sure it's breaded, because that's really what you want your chicken to be, is breaded. So put some garlic, and you can never have too much garlic. I'll tell you this, Marianne.
Yes, sir.
I eat garlic all the time. Ooh, that's a lot. And I have never been bitten by a vampire.
Well, that's a good thing.
And I'm guessing I'm not going to be this morning either, because look at this. I think we're in for less than 15 bucks, and this is going to feed a family for less than 15 bucks.
Absolutely.
Wicked easy, just like Nan Nan did, just like she did. We're going to come back and put this all together, and of course the important part is we're going to try it.
That's right, we're going to eat it.
Stay with us.